every Wednesday is my birthday. But say nyame aduma next week Wednesday there. A very birthday. You see that thing when you are celebrating your birthday on the day, there's that day on which you were born. That day. Next week there. Say come be me kwan come share them. I come the empire bonfire boka cry because they say we munye. But I said the TB and the nyame ase won pempen so din adri. If I try next you are not free sabre kopem se be bo nyime no sia. Then akwa Wednesday wunim said ye no. Ye ni abrochi for no. E ba be din komo. E don't ti bia wo bia. Ye tun safre wo. Franche more de my yenuanu mo UK. More United States of America. Say North and South. Canada 4. Australia 4. More Middle East. Potem when ya Edichucha fa de be fa UAE for oni na. Monso more Asia, ye checha mu nyina. Afe Europe fonso ye checha mu nyina na mo te senie. And cheer di onso koma ye nuanom e other African countries. Babibia. Ya mamu nyina ha. Na de kan se ebre na so biem. Se ya mamu akwanya no na mo so mutimi eda nyame ase. Eti ya se bebre se utie ye na Ghana ha na wo wa. Na wama phone line no just ne ho aton kakra. Oh. Because mu de muni bibia da diti hande. Yenya announce phone lines ne kra na Ghana for na hya se frɛ. E pa cho so utie na wo Ghana ha. Mesrewa. Wo me France atwe na Wednesdays the abrochi for ne mom sa akonya na why? Say be on betimi anya access to the phone lines. No more friend. So 0302216561 0302216562. You know how we do. Just prefix +233. Now for the akana twaso. Na enkoya nim. First call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Mommy. Mommy na bibia boko there. Hello. Hey, atia faso e mo.
Me do nyame ase eyi. Awo de waya mayen. Ya nyakopon ase der kwakwaduma budo na yere mami dwa. Asudue mu o manya baby girl. Enti me do nyame ase na de waya mayen ne doso. Nyame adumo bibia boko we Yesu dinum.
Ode to aso na am say na ese ibiti de okani na so aba pepepe ti to aso etiu.
Yo ento wo so me de nyame asem ma.
Amen.
Ye be di bro nyanyiro du chinchi kwa ka Dubai ni nyina obedu asomdue mu. Do nyame asem ma me sa tia ohema ye je.
You
me papa so samra back wa dum na nkofo twe no.
Ayo.
Me ade akanyina ma awurade.
Amen.
Na fo so nkwala o nyina ahwe ehu so yi o na wie anope me ra ko papa. Obi ba ye twa nensa akole ne life wen.
I say you. Mommy ya da sepa nyami sha no kan. Okay.
Yeah. Flag is on.
Yeah. It's good. Choose. Oh my goodness. Okay, yan twaso. Now I'm fire next caller. 0302216561 0302216562. As fast as the map Petra Trust. Petra Trust. Hello. Oh, sorry. Petra Trust is all that you hear. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Petra Frost and Nakasa Free.
But your friend Mr. JNSS. That's free Hamburg Germany.
Okay, Petra, it's you.
Oh, I ran to Baku Nanya. I don't know me. And for 3 January, ABC Nede,
great. Amen. 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 Patricia was your phone, you know, fancy why.
But on me, Papa, your friend Mr. Ofie at me.
Okay.
If I came on down, like a crown or for us, or a case of people.
All right.
Cottage Assembly, Matarico, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a power for your call. It is said, and I make canon. Sebe na daching, yes, a wabako crowd, but one of in our bread, but a brabon bed, the dead damo, be a bear fine out there. So, Jemuma, a Petra Trust, and nay, almost me boy, Sebe, efficiently with me a control, Sikano, through savings, a fair investment, and our pensions, and the can be brave. I'm a daching in where day, in where fair. Come a party amount. It's if Petra Nede was 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. If you want my fast day, you're my Kojak Pharma Limited. Or my the original pro code, Yadikutia code and a fair flu. Omukrana my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. The patron why ya na udi ade de pa sugar more. Ana ade a shit ana ade shield. Now se fin no. Who use Kojak F toothpaste and mouthwash ebeko. Wo de na severe pa to da kra na osena ye tutu. Utwi so na etu moja. Use Kojak P toothpaste and mouthwash. Continuously for 4 weeks later, no, I switch to Kojak F no. Ebejai. But pen say a yen 10 man party. I am now all the Kojak sensitive to brush, no, so I boss work on right. Ebe fine. Obenyan rain there be a check crying. Away fancy shops out on them. Do a pan or can she drug lane? Honor be Kojak farmer. And yes, our friend was 0249 209 920 and our face 0260 870-780. DBS Industries for Swadama. Omo my quality roofing sheet made the boy dance. Ya chese board dance or how be a new. And one say Oko and so many years to come, Negus said that here. It's a color link plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet, Papa B, color no and fade and peel up and put on campus a chance and arrested. I don't know about Toby Timiaku could only amount 20-year warranty, so and they grab us and enjoy a 5% discount. Here at Chakron, the Expenses Road next to Papa Restaurant. Friend was 0577 619 102. I face 0543 286 637. Yeah, roof expert now. DBS Industries Limited. Finally, I'm fast day on Emma. Buy1on1.com. Buy1on1.com. And then our pato, a car, and a spare parts, and a building materials, a dime, and a sassy, home appliances. A buy1on1.com. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Vlad.
Me patron for saying
Vlad, media, Junior.
Who can say free? What's it?
Napoli.
Okay, you too.
Vlad, last week Wednesday, now I tell me Freddy Madame Sibina, Vlad, me friend, me son, can Yanko Pardon, me sir, I come. I am there because Wednesday, no Pentecost, Major, Peter, Pascal was what them, and I was saying, go for it. The Vlad, the milk of our fat, the documentation, you mark the full card. Who control and ranking, I may say, always I'm saying for him, I'm Ghana. na me ne Nigeria for me won fa Nigeria for ni na akoi but am Ghana na me boy ni o he banim din me nko na ida me be ya
eyo good pa
ase no ho
online mo ayen emu na papa but I believe say atiofo nya message na person de ma no and that reminds me of what I promised my listeners say edu abrochiefo no course no so na meka sa story bi na chem no and I'm so glad say asemwa enua be ma iken so esi ewo Italy enti quickly mame fa sa story no enfam in the next minute na fe yemfa de aka no ento so de na meka the last time when your papa you friend fee Equatorial Guinea na o se wano aduane ama president no for several years na ne ho ma asem bia and the way they trust him and nam so ama Ghana for no so connect o momo ye adwuma ho ne ade no enya asem ketwa ena na me pese me ka bibidi besisu se baby bia ye be du bia no yen suban ne yen tete a ye de atete as Ghanaians no mama yen so mu yie na people are watching enkrofo hwe enipa pa na yehu se wo yasemasi wo fikrowe so mo de musuban se nete asemo America na asemo a esi e wo bas mu wo Italy na me fi Parma e call Reggio Emilia but me yade o baby e fro ho St. Lario enti St. Lario ho no bus stop na me gina na me pe basa o de me be call to Reggio Emilia na me si wo Euro Spain ho enti me ya metimi nya bus no just say bus no driver no bro no cross on way timi ya am castle like Reggio Emilia so no boni team go am there me jumping on timi wo bus ni mu a I think I was the second person I'm full bus no ye do bus stop bia na nkofo join ne kwa ne ade but I realize say obi a betina bus ni mu a not ne card akọcha ade so kwen na a BP na akọpẹ ba bia tena de on kura card nso ba coin no de ewura de mkrom na no so aya na ọkọ but do mi sumi kura coin bia mi sike kura me chale 20 euro kura ni 50 na ade a ade nso ba bia ni we de pepa hye oh and I said the driver na agye no che se ontimi kura anko na ne driver kura anko kasa eti me hwa ade ni din na san ko nso mo ha adwen especially Europe most of the countries ubeka say hu what bus mu je wuntua wo ko masa wo ho ade apawo mempe asimbia ti mene obi ko kasa eso otibrofo ana na nka mene kasa akra so no me call another person and there was this white guy because blacks na mene kasa no mfi Ghana di omususu no omobi omso omotibrofo it's one white guy be mene kasa and I'm sure me courage Emilia but me ni smaller denominations in obetimi agi me 50 euro na naka obetimi asesa mamia so that betimi anya coins kakra krom na me de bi atua for the bus no and also na mini card and I'm saying no mini card and also no onu so ni skank to bia on hunti no oh yeah sorry to happen am dana say like the way I thank him for at least listening to me in quarantine me say me call back then I'll try and then engage the driver by any means necessary na me hwe and what happen a guy and sign frame me back and I say okay me beje card na me fan kotia obisa but in the first obisa me say are you from Ghana and I'm saying yes no so okay come and no ye card on the bag no the man to the bag mam na me de kwa na me kwa na de ni BPN to say umatua me sign the card ne brand back cause no Ghana people good people this card you can use the whole day take bus the whole Italy everywhere so take it Ghana people good wine is say Ghana people good other people Africa country not good people Ghana people good afa na won say agumi wo bus no the guy gave me the card after said the whole day me the before bus akwa you see be a Ghana ni ba ku bi papa bi a wayenti o it was say Ghana people good people so wherever you find yourself especially a Wednesday program here dedicated to Union Mama Bruchi. But be a wobiano. Men you send us a country for the umba or money swash and on the umbominus cantem who could do much debi. Bobra said the oye gun na de wuye biano. E nipa ehwe. Na wan hwe yi a wade bi abekate kona be ya de bi enye no. Na ko se Ghana fo nyina din. Said the onipa ba ku bia ye papa. Amen nti obroni because we be so mo ati lo no be catch hwe. Abrof no mo o man say na we did. But what me say hey, wo black man, we Ghana ni. Na Ghana for the mo yi nipa papa. Enti oboa wo. Entainsi. Iti ba bia wo bia no. Yen ka ne enye papa. Na ye benya so mfa so. Wa enya so fa so directly kwa na e bia unua bi ana wo fa se bi e benya so mfa so daache. Right. Ya first day chat on Emma buy1on1.com say dem di kan ka bibia wo hia to bia no. Bo modern na opi mu won mu a onsa ebetimi akan na ne bo no so ofo. Won so a wo sa items nyina bi say ye car spare parts and I said dan and I say and now building materials and I say home appliances be our person turn. What the buy1on1.com ubenya to phone 10 tem na frey 0266 637 111 afi 0302 300 472 or just log on to www.buy1on1.com now wa share and the pa awodo yeah and also air coso right here to Jumedi so Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Mama Refia na many Wendy Shay. Ya be bon komodie mu zing. Ye mu heavy ba. Ya komo e be di no. This Opening or United States of America, I want to thank God for his mercies. Within 2 weeks, my wife's vehicle, my daughter's vehicle, as well as mine. Oh, Nina was involved in an accident. It tells you, I said, Miss Mekara, Okada Bidia bedroom, I just say, I can't say you. Anyway, but we the end was due to bad weather. Omuna or no one have been the bar and the wife was Omuna car. Nina Quenchia, Nesuni Nemuno, Yamia Bom Hobine, and Momina, they are fine. So they want to thank God. Yeah, then Yamia say. Nidindi kweku JC Ohini Yesu by Kanketsi Soaring Estate and aroma insecticide spray in the coil. The Baba shot some way to your home for we Ofie Kwanso Jumedi so Adom 106.3 FM. asɛm a ɛdi tu yɛ hofo ɛwɔ dwumadie so no wɔ brɔfo kasɛm asɛm ne sɛ as you waste your breath complaining about life, someone out there is breathing their last. So don't complain about what you have. Rather, be appreciative of it, and you will end up having more. When you are breathing, ding, yeah, chese ode, ubo bubu, ena midie, ena we na say na we say na de we na say na midie me ho kire me na midie. Da bia wo complain na brabo na mu ayedin na brabo na mu ayeda me ho kire me na de no. Obi aka ne ho me ba akopɛ. Ya se wo jamu pe no anu no okɔ. Onka ti asefo ho bi. Na wo di otia yi wo ahoden gidi. Yet you are complaining. So ho kire eniema anko yi. Na wadwen de owo wiase agapade na onyare. Yet that person is fighting so hard to survive just to get up from the sick bed. That's all that person is looking for. On me, car and I said dying, and now Pabwa Nata there. But you have the strength, you have life, good health, yet you are complaining about the things that you don't have. As a me train say, instead of doing that, we should be appreciative of the little things that we have. Ye guswa ye show appreciation. They are kanina nyame e de beka ho de amaye. Eto da na ye hwe obi de. O shared life be obi a living tino. Eye o se wo de nyame nye bi ma. But for all you know, bia no nipa konkran nya situation na nkope. And maybe make a papa be story be will show you so I check some years back. Papa no was papa. Hey, Samano. Me timi money dintia. Papa we parts and Range Rover no shin the white linen pana utim say starch net timi no now baseya. What? Now we should share no crowd now share. Jai. Some nice man be true like that. Papa no was come out for respecting the power. But until recently, say na papa no, and na keke obedano. A big deal for him. Papa no bedda ama de ache no, nsem bebre. Edu kwan koda wo baby. No. So on in be ko baby say ye na de ache akoda bi onko. Ese so down no ani fi because nenda no some way. Papa ni nya kana ni guzu say wo da. Studio ha kra ya soundproof kra wa hai. Obi gyan kokomlemlem wani mo better say yes. Obi da. Ni de ni was serious. Enye so da otum krom keke. But owo nrobi a se wanfa sa nro na nenda mu no ahwe obefa mu awu. And it got to a point ye de afidie bi ne ye de ama no ye plug it di o de hye ne hwene na wa so na wada. Now at that time now dun so bag Ghana no, it was serious for this man. Share say light new us ade na there be ontimi na eso amanfo huna ebi am say obi nyaa na anka yo no because said the papa no was continue ade. But look at ono so the problem otin osu sikare bi oni bi ukochi ba yokofo mu na bia once the bi peneka obotu but to chia ho to waza ubu na from so that I can say why free. You see the kind of world we live in. It is the nyambe you obi an pacho ma wani so ne fa na saa na da nyame ase na kakran de aka no nyame ebeye e de aka ho ama. Why ye fast da ma sorry next state adumakuo we e na eboa se be amanfo betimi anya asase ato e wa bra manso bia eni ho enu timi pacho we abrantie wasi so wunya ya ka beto asase wasi den ba usuro langas sem ne ade se de nkrofo kukum nkrofo nkran asase hunti no and they what to dream a patrol change your mind. It's a sorry nesty tabama. The here nanny we a group of young Christians are more back together say almost born man for I'm more timianya almost sassing or more dying just say or how be any beautiful locations. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. You do man for coin various sites and mom cautions as no. Now, why would you to more? You know why you want to share? You try the idea of my call. Or share your office at Chaquania. Would do a crown Newton Hayani? Would you do car price? Oh, or for a fast road, you could rack around Newtown. Won't say washing baby or the opposite pair. There's a story building next to her, and I'll be sorry nest it. Frena and Yenin Commonia Moa Minia 0270 012 295. A fee 050 054 5457. And I'll bet you to send a WhatsApp the alpha number we see when you WhatsApp only 0244 721 348. Now on this sorry estate, Eddington. Sorry estate where God lives. Finally, Roma insecticide spray. A man tum tiny. A young from malaria media also. No chankuna or the hospital, dear ye, one may